Hello everyone, my name is Nico Morris and we will be showing you how to install Windows 10 on your PCs. Now, we also want to welcome you to the world of Windows 10 and the most advanced and user-friendly operating system brought to you by Microsoft. Windows 10 is a powerful operating system that seamlessly blends the familiarity of the classic Windows experience with the exciting new features designed to enhance productivity and connectivity. Microsoft officially announced Windows 10 on September 30, 2014 and was released to the public on July 29, 2015. Unlike its predecessor, the Windows 8, Windows 10 aimed to address the criticism and concerns raised by users and introduced a more familiar desktop experience. Okay, so now we're here at this very first page where you will be prompted into this tool or setup once you have downloaded the Enterprise Edition that is here on this specific link. You can get a 90-day evaluation of Windows 10 Enterprise Edition from the TechNet Evaluation Center. So, the first step will be, okay, so to start, in order for you to get the Windows 10 version or the OS of that specific version, Microsoft has a link or a site, it's on this link. So you can actually get a 90-day evaluation of Windows 10 Enterprise Edition from the TechNet Evaluation Center. So, as what you can see on this very first page, after you downloaded the link or the OS through the link, you will be prompted with this tool. It's the Windows 10 step setup. So you will be asked if you have to upgrade this PC now or create installation media, USB drive, DVD, or ISO for another PC. So in this instruction, we will be choosing the create installation media. For now, since we don't have a DVD blank or we only have a USB available, so we will be using the USB option. So after you have clicked next, or you have gone through the first process, so you'll be asked to select a language, the architecture, and the edition. So below you will see a bunch of choices, which is English, Windows 10, and the architecture for depending on your computer, if it's 32 or 64. After choosing the architecture, you will be then asked to choose which media to use. So there are two types, which is the USB. It needs to be at least 8 gigabytes. Next is the ISO file, or you will need a ISO file to a DVD later. Okay, so let's say that this is your computer. Once you have plugged in your flash drive or your DVD, you will then be prompted into this window. So this is the starting screen of setting up the Windows 10 on your PC. Okay, so after that loading screen that I showed you a while ago, so this will be the first setup that you will be encountering. So it will ask the language to install, should be US, or depending on which country you're currently living in, and the keyboard or input method. And once you're done, you can go on and click next. So after clicking next, you'll then be prompted into this window where it asks you to press install now. So once you've done so, it will automatically continue on your setup. Okay, so after you've clicked next or install now, you will be then asked a product key. So in this scenario that we have, since we don't have a product key, you only have to click I don't have a product key. Okay, so there are different types of Windows 10 operating systems, one of which is the Windows 10 Home, Windows 10 Home N. There are tons of, there's Pro. So once you're prompted in this window, you'll just click on the type of OS that you wanted to install on your PC. Okay, so after you've successfully chosen your OS, you will be then prompted to the licensing agreement. All you have to do is accept the license terms and click next. Okay, so after you've successfully chosen your OS, you will be then prompted to the licensing agreement. All you have to do is accept the license terms and click next.
So hello everyone, my name is Kenneth Andre Lazo, and I'll be showing you the continuation of Nico Amores step-by-step installation of Windows. So the next step is you have to click the disk on which you want to install Windows 10 on. Then after that, the setup copies files and installs Windows 10 on that disk. So the computer will restart at least once, and then when the computer restarts, be sure to remove the installation DVD or the flash drive. The, the computer might reboot to the DVD or and start installation process from the beginning if you don't remove it. After you click next, the installation process will start. So after the installation process, you will then be asked a series of questions to make your Windows 10 more personalized. So you'll be asked by the language, the keyboard layouts, and then set up for personal use. So if you have a Microsoft account, you can log it in here. If you don't have one, you can create an account by clicking this button. And then if you don't want to create an account, you can use this, you can click this button, but it will not be connected to any Microsoft account. So after you click next, it will then ask who will use the PC, what's the username of the PC user, then it will ask a password, then you have to confirm your password, then you have to create a security questions for this account. And after that, it will ask privacy settings and all that to make your Windows 10 more personalized. And then it's done.